A Freecash offer timer can stop counting down when the offer page, app tracking or device session isn't updating correctly. So don't restart the offer or repeat the required action before checking the tracking status. By the end, you'll know how to determine whether the timer is actually stuck. Refresh the offer safely, check device and browser permissions, and document the issue if Freecash support needs to investigate it. First, check where the timer appears. Open the exact Freecash offer you started and compare the timer with the offer's requirements. If the timer is frozen but the rest of the page is working, the problem may be limited to the offer display. Close the Freecash page or app and reopen it. If you're using a browser, refresh the page and sign back into Freecash if necessary. Then open the same offer again and check whether the timer has updated. If you're using a mobile device, check that the Freecash app and the offer's required app are still installed and functioning normally. Don't uninstall the required game or application while you're trying to troubleshoot tracking, because doing that can interfere with the offer's progress. Next, check the offer instructions carefully. Some offers use a deadline or progress requirement, rather than relying only on the visible countdown. The timer on the screen should not be treated as the only evidence that your progress is being tracked. Check your Freecash activity or offer history as well. If your qualifying activity is appearing there, the timer display may be the problem rather than the entire offer. Don't restart the offer by creating another account or using another Freecash account. Keep the original account and the original offer connected to the activity you already completed. If the timer remains frozen, take screenshots before changing anything. Capture the offer page, the timer, your progress, and any relevant tracking information. These details can help support determine what happened. For browser-based offers, try refreshing the page and checking the offer again from the same Freecash account. For mobile offers, keep the required permissions enabled and avoid switching accounts while the offer is active. If the timer still doesn't move and your qualifying activity isn't being recorded, contact Freecash support through the appropriate support option. Give them the offer name, explain when the timer stopped, and include screenshots showing the issue. The main point is that a frozen timer doesn't automatically mean the offer is lost. First, refresh the same offer. Verify your activity history. Keep the original account and required app intact, and document the problem before making major changes. Your next step is to reopen the exact Freecash offer and compare its timer with the activity already recorded on your account. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Freecash fixes, offer tracking guides, and reward troubleshooting.